So, hi dear Libra, a very good guys. This is Anjali. Love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or communication, no communication, and wants to know what's going on the other side. If the no contact is more than 1 year, then this reading is not valid for you. I'm really sorry about that. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So, let's start. Libra, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Swords, and the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. So it's like okay, this person is surrendering to the divine. They're trying to heal the situation for whatever toxicity, whatever negativity, whatever third party situations, addictions, or unhealthy kind of patterns were going on in the situation. They are right now in this mindset that with time everything is going to be fine. They are giving you the time and space to heal yourself individually, and they are giving themselves the time and space to heal them heal themselves individually, and you also, like they feel like they should give you also the time to heal yourself, okay, and themselves also the time, okay. But they are in this energy of right now this is too stressful to deal with, right now this is too stressful to go ahead with. So that is why this person is feeling with time everything is going to be fine. They are healing, they are praying, and they are hoping for some kind of this energy of if we are going to give this enough time or enough healing, this situation is going to improve for sure. Whatever issues are going on, whatever addictions or issues or third party situations or complaints, whatever it is that is bothering you guys in this situation, then with time everything is going to be fine. They are hoping and praying for some kind of miracle, and trying to heal the situation within themselves and trying to give you the time and space to heal yourself individually. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Six of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. Okay, this person wants to balance the situation between you and them, but they want time. This person want a lot of time in order to come towards you with a very stable energy, with a very mature and grounded kind of energy. They want to have equal give and take of energy in the situation. They want to put in the effort and energy in this direction, but before that they have something to accomplish that they want to accomplish before they can come forward towards you and give you something solid on the table, give you a solid deal on the table kind of a thing. Okay, there's something about stability, there's something about money, there's something about job or career that they want to focus on, or then that they want to establish before they can come forward towards you and offer you this brand new beginning. So definitely they have this intention to have a brand new beginning with you, but not right now. They want to take a lot of time because they want to establish their own legacy first, their own stability first, their own secure and safe kind of environment first. Then only they want to move forward with you in this connection, in this situation. But they want to come back around only when they are going to have something on table that they are routing for, that they are working for. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. We have the Empress, the Star, the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Pentacles. See, I do see communication happening. I don't see a lot of communication happening. I do see might be opening up the gate of communication. If they have blocked you, they might unblock you. If you have blocked them, they might try to make you unblock them. But this is kind of trying to open up the gate of communication between you guys. I don't see a constant flow of communication or a lot of communication happening or things going anywhere or a reconciliation happening. Nothing like that, Libra. I just see that this person and you might start connecting with each other again, might start, just, staying in touch with each other again. Nothing more than that. Maybe unblocking each other and saying hi to each other, or just unblocking and seeing each other's profile or something like that. But I don't see anything more than that. It can be just a start of a communication kind of a deal. Nothing more than that as of now. Okay, nothing more than that, right? Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Libra. What is the guidance for you guys in the situation? Okay, sorry, we have the Five of Pentacles. So you might be feeling left out in the cold. You might be feeling like love and relationship is not meant for you. Every time you try to put in the effort and energy into something, you get messed up. You might be feeling like a victim in your love and relationship area right now, but this is just your mentality. This is just your limiting belief that is actually stopping you from moving on to the next chapter of your life, because you are kind of giving up on love right now. It's not like that, honey. It's just the time right now. It's not the right time, might be for you to be in a relationship, or this person or this situation is right now not good for you. So might be that is why the universe is kind of trying to make you go on the isolation path, at least for the timing, so that you can come stronger, or you can go to the next chapter of your life when the timing is going to be right. It's all about divine timing, I guess. Okay, in your energies right now. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.